When choosing your approach for angle parking, remember one important thing. A car is less maneuverable when moving forward. That's why keeping a bit more distance from the parking space actually makes the maneuver easier. The farther you are, the more room you have to turn smoothly. Step 1. Look for an open parking spot. Step 2. Position your vehicle correctly on the road. Try to stay slightly farther from the parking space. This will give you a wider turning angle. We'll use the front bumper as our main reference point. Slowly move forward until your front bumper lines up with the beginning of the parking space. Step 3. Turn on your right turn signal, letting other drivers know your intention. Check your mirrors and make sure the area is clear. Then turn the steering wheel fully to the right and begin moving slowly into the spot. Keep turning until the front of your vehicle aligns with the cars beside you. Once the car becomes parallel to the others, straighten your wheels and continue rolling forward. And that's it. You've completed the angle parking maneuver. Practice on quiet streets or empty parking lots until you feel confident. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe. We have lots of simple animations, driving quizzes, and helpful tips for beginner drivers. See you in the next video.